Hey Team Creative, welcome back guys. I am giving you guys a sneak peek of a board that I'm going to do. This is somewhat last minute. I'm not going to do it on my Chiara backdrop cloth. We printed this, or I had someone to print it. I'm not sure if it's permanent or semi-permanent, so I don't want to mess up my cloth. So I'm going to do this for the backdrop. It's for a church anniversary. These are the colors. The balloons came from eFavor Mark, so I'll let you guys know how those do. And the balloons are silver, navy blue, and a shiny royal blue, and a cream or off-white. So I'm going to let you guys know how this turns out at the end. Of course, I'm going to show you guys how I make my clusters for all of you all that are new to the channel. I have done this before, so I'm not going to bore you with the entire process. So I'll make a few clusters because I'm going to put these together. Okay guys, so for all of you guys who are new to the channel, I'm going to make a few clusters of balloons. I'm not going to bore you with me doing the entire garland. Just so you guys can see, if you're still learning how to put the clusters together. People do these differently. Some people do them in just dupes and then string them with fishing line or 260. Some people make different size clusters, group them together. For this event, because I want to be prepared and have a good bit together, I don't have a lot of time for setup. I'm going to do clusters, group them together in probably 2 or 3 pieces, and then just string it together when I get there. So I'm going to show you guys a few of the colors, make some clusters, and then I'll take you guys to the event space, the church, with me tomorrow when I'm setting up. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so these are basically mostly 12-inch. There are some 18-inch, and I do have some larger 36-inch. But I think for the purpose of this, I'm going to start with silver when I do it. Go into royal blue, go into cream, then my navy blue, cream, shiny royal blue, and then back to my silver in the middle and end with silver. So we'll see how this goes. I have a few packs open, so I'm going to start with my blue as far as making clusters. Oh, that blue is really pretty, guys. So I'm going to have to press these out into different sizes, because I don't have a bunch of Okay, so that's that blue. That's one dupe. Alright guys, so that was one dupe. And I'm just trying to press them out so that they have a rounder shape. I'm sure you've seen people do that. Some of my clusters are going to have 6, and some are going to have 8. My ones at the bottom will probably have 8. As it goes down, I want it to get wider. So I'll put more clusters to that so that it forms. So now I'm just taking these, putting them together, crossing them over, and you just intertwine to make sure they stay locked. Okay, so that's a cluster of the royal blue. Let's see what the silver actually looks like. And I'm probably gonna have to make my 5-inch because I don't have any 5-inch. And some of my colors. So that's the silver. I'm okay with it, but as I look at it, guys, I think I may double stuff this, so I'm gonna let this go. Oops. So I'm not liking that one by itself because I want the colors to be pretty vibrant. So I'm gonna let you guys see what this blue looks like. Oh, it is absolutely gorgeous. The blue, the shining royal blue is beautiful. I wasn't gonna do as much of this, but I think I'm gonna add a little more than I originally planned because it's so pretty. So guys, this is what I'm gonna do, make my clusters. I'll take you guys along with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, join the creative team. Stay with me, guys, so you can see the final results. Thanks. So thanks again, Creative Family, for joining me. I hope you guys like the final product. I did it very small scale. As you can see, I did not want to block the doors for people to enter into the church. But overall, just to give you guys an update, I love the colors of the majority of the balloons. I did not double stuff all of my silver. Just know that if you get balloons from eFavor Mart, the lighter ones are more see-through. I don't know how they will do outside, but as far as the quality, they lasted an entire week. The church loved the backdrop setup, and they asked me to leave it up from one Sunday to the next, so it was up an entire 7 days.
the color did start to oxidize just a little bit, but most of them were there. They did not pop. So overall, the quality is good. I love the metallic colors and the darker colors that they have. So definitely check out their products. They have some really cool products. I will say if you order any of the larger balloons, they come in a very stretchy material, and I actually thought they were not going to blow up, guys, but if you continue to put them on your pump and you continue to let them blow, they do inflate. They are really, really weird texture, and I had never gotten balloons like that before, but that's a larger one there. They do stretch out and blow up. You just have to keep letting them go. I actually started to stop blowing them up, and my husband said, no, just give it a try. So like and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. I will see you guys in the next video, and be blessed.